Hello everyone, and today I have two boxes from Amazon, and what I love about this is I order and then I put things on my subscribe and save and then I forget what it is, so we will see together. I already took my labels off and opened them up because I only have one hand. This is the subscribe and save order, and if you don't know how Amazon works, you put something into subscribe and save, they give you 15% off, and you can cancel it after one shipment. So if you need something and you don't need it within 2 days, put it on subscribe and save, change your date for subscribe and save. I think you can do it for up to a week. These are just Lysol wipes. They look like in a package of hand wipes. We normally wouldn't be stocking up on these. The reason I did is because I got my 15% off from Subscribe and Save, and they had a coupon. A lot of times on Amazon you can clip a coupon, add things to your Subscribe and Save. So I got 4 packs of these for, I think, right under $10. So I got 2 different kinds. That's the thing with their coupons. You can get one of each kind, but you can't get 2 of one kind. So we got 2 of those. What did we get here? Oh yeah, the puppy vitamins, because the girls are probably 45 pounds now, but they just turned 5 months, so they eat their vitamins. What else do we have? Oh, yep, I wanted to try this one because it has minerals in it along with the vitamins. And then we use these for the pool in the summer. So, yeah, obviously not in the winter. Well, I guess some people would, right? But these are $10 at the pool store. And although I love supporting my local pool store, when I subscribe and save with these, I think I pay $6. So, to me, that's a huge savings, and that's why I get them there. The next thing is my tea. I'm a huge tea drinker, and I love the Traditional Medicinals brand. And at Walmart in the store, they're about $5 a box. And this one keeps jumping all over the price-wise on Amazon. It was down to like $3.10, and then it goes up to $4. Sometimes it seems like it changes price right before my subscribe and save shipment, but a lot of times you can get these in a 6-pack if you can buy 6 boxes, and they'll end up being $18 to $21 if it's a kind of tea you like. So it's just a lot better to get these on Amazon rather than in the store at Walmart if you know that you like a certain brand or a certain type. And I generally drink one of these every single night. They really work to help me sleep, the Nighty Night with Valerian. Also, I like the Nighty Night without Valerian as well. So this item is not normally, oh my Lanta, is not normally on my subscribe and save, but a flash deal came across the screen that Planters nuts were half off. So I said, well, you know what? I'm going to get some. And then a couple of them had a subscribe and save option. And I was real curious to see if it was on a flash deal, if I hit subscribe and save, if I would still get that price even though they shipped it 2 weeks later. And I did. Now, that could be because when you hit subscribe and save on an item for the first time, they do bill the card. Well, they do when I have a gift card balance. So they bill that immediately for your item. So I think we got this big jar of 3 pounds of nuts for $6 or $7. $7.58 maybe, and that's huge. Now, granted, that's not something you can store, but I think I'm going to take these to my grandson's first birthday party, and I'm sure they'll get eaten up there. And the Planters Variety Pack. I don't normally get small sizes of things, just because it's generally so much less expensive to buy in bulk. But this was a 24 pack, and it ended up costing me $7 also. And I got these for my grandson's lunch, my grandson that's 6 years old. Those are for his lunch. And I'm going to pause the video. Of course, you'll never know that, so I don't even have to tell you that. And then we're going to start the second box. Well, I just took it out of the box. What I got was another bucket wrench. I like to try the different ones from different companies. And this one's made in USA. It said it was an Augustin Farms one. It's not branded. And then, of course, there are these other things on the side that my other ones, my other bucket wrenches, I don't recall them having that. So I'm going to compare them all together and see. But this one was actually $6. I can tell you it does feel like it's a stronger material than the ones I got at Lowe's and Walmart, and the other, just the smaller $3 ones from Amazon. And I'm going to show you this. Obviously, it's not from Amazon. Sometimes you can get Members Mark, which is Sam's Club items, on Amazon. They are always way more expensive. So I got the double pack of soap. And this pack of soap was under $10, which was amazing, I thought. When I was at Sam's Club, I grabbed that. I just kind of forgot to put it in the last video. And this obviously does go in our preps. We'll set that back. But the thing is, we rotate this. We use this antibacterial soap. We're not particular about what brand it is, what brand we use. And I just noticed that's not antibacterial, is it? Okay, well, don't tell my husband. Anyway, oh, wait, he's a subscriber. Oh, well, okay. Anyway, this soap will get rotated just like the rest of our soap does, and our shampoo. We do stock up on that stuff, but it also gets rotated. And something else I was really waiting for. Now, if you look for this on eBay, you will not find it. Well, yeah, you'll find it for $30, and it's a rack that comes with each a little box. This is an ammo box, and it is not for the ammo. My husband has a separate way of storing the ammo. That is his department. This is for the 223s. The reason I got this is because one of the other preppers did a video showing how he uses these, and I can't remember who it was, but I will link him. Suburban Prepper, maybe? I'm not real sure. I'll find the video I'm talking about and I'll link it so you can see who showed me this method, although I don't believe he had the rack. My husband showed me these ammo boxes, and he wanted to see if I liked anything in this catalog he had, and I found these. But I always price check, and $30 for this on eBay and less than $12 for all of it. The rack to hang it in, and 4 boxes, less than $12 on Amazon. That is an amazing deal. I wanted to open them up to make sure they're going to get one, to make sure it's going to store my batteries like I want them to, and then I may get another one, because we do store a lot of AA and AAA batteries. We try to make sure everything uses that size battery. So that's it for today. Tell me, what did you prep today?